Yeah, so my entrepreneurial journey began when I was 13 years old back in 2010, and that was as a fashion blogger. So I started blogging and there was no intention to. Basically, what happened was I found myself at a point where I was very sick. So I had just had a series of infections, about 8 infections, and then I got the glandular fever, I got the swine flu, and then I was
Oh,
eventually
God.
diagnosed with chronic fatigue syndrome. So there
Yeah.
was a lot that happened in a short space of time. And obviously with antibiotics and the strain it had on my immune system, I really crashed. And so basically what happened was I went from being this active, young, vibrant preteen to having no energy and not being able to do anything, not being able to go to school, not being able to socialize, not being able to play sports. I realized the power of brand and the power of digital to raise awareness and share a message. And my, whole philosophy was, if I could do it at 13 and then have, businesses approach me asking to help them with website and logo design
Incredible.
developed, I recognized that I'd had a skill set. And so I spent more and more time learning about it and developing that skill set and working with fantastic mentors and business coaches. I know that we're both big into mentorship, and developing that and developing it and developing it. And then basically that was the kind of foundation upon which my passion for brand began. Building your personal brand and building relationships.
Yeah.
That's it. That is it. And I think a lot of the time we can really overcomplicate things, and especially now at a point where a lot of people are shifting, a lot of people are opening new businesses or completely transforming their lives because of what's been going on with COVID-19. I think we just have to keep things simple, because we have a habit sometimes as human beings of overcomplicating things, especially when it comes to business. You think you can't do anything until you have an intricate business plan design, until you have this, that, and the other. It needs to take 5 months to launch your website. That's not the case. You can do things in a way that will establish you, and then you can develop as you grow.